Modern manufacturing runs on machines. The ones that cut, grind, print, weave, press, and package the products we rely on every day. These machines generate products and materials with incredible speed and efficiency, and they work non-stop. But machines need maintenance, whether it's installing lubricants, tightening bolts, or inspecting belts. Machine care is essential. When a machine is being maintained, it can't run. And this downtime costs manufacturers a lot of money. There are three main approaches to machine maintenance. Reactive, which means waiting for a breakdown. This is risky and costly. Preventative, where maintenance work is scheduled at fixed intervals. This can waste time and parts. And predictive, where machines are tended to only when needed, based on their actual condition. This last method saves time and money. Condition-based monitoring, or CBM, makes predictive maintenance possible by continuously tracking machine health. This methodology uses sensors to measure vibration, temperature, speed, and pressure, and sends real-time data to diagnostic devices and software where they can be monitored and analyzed. In this course, CBM for Industry 4.0, you'll work with the Intelitek JobMaster mechanical bench, a scaled-down industrial machine with a motor, shafts, bearings, couplings, and loads. To collect data, you'll employ state-of-the-art smart sensors that measure vibration, temperature, and speed, and then visualize and examine this data using diagnostic software. You'll analyze the sensor data, visualize trends, and set alarms to detect faults early. You'll also learn the theory behind machine faults and the way to detect them, and then get hands-on experience by implementing faults into the system and using the software and sensors to diagnose them. Welcome to Intelitek's CBM for Industry 4.0. Real industrial equipment, advanced training.